Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you the one trick that your internet provider does not want you to know about. If you do this, you can double, triple, even quadruple your internet speed. All you need is a jumper. Unfortunately, this does not work for Wi-Fi. It's only for Ethernet connection, but it's super easy and it only takes about 30 seconds. Alright, as you can see, I have the Ethernet connected to my computer. I'm just going to give you a baseline before I do anything. So it looks like we're looking at about 43 megabytes a second down and 20 up. Now the upload more than likely will not change, but the download will close to triple. Alright, all we're going to do for this is on the back of your internet router, you'll have Ethernet ports. Each port has its own channel, and if you combine two of the channels with the same Ethernet cord, then it'll unlock unlimited speed for whatever your modem is set to. So all we're going to do is we're going to connect this one, we're going to connect 1 and 2, and we have 3 already connected to the laptop. So all we're going to have to do now that both of those channels are connected, now we'll just run our test again. Alright, we're going to run the test. Almost to 160 on download, so that's more than triple what we were at. And our upload slowed down just a little bit, but not too bad. And again, all it is a jumper. Connect 2 of your ports together, and then run a third line to whatever you're trying to give internet to, and it'll unlock your router and you will have unlimited speed. Thank you for watching.